wood. This is how we can control precipitation data, and this is how we can convert it into actuals, and then if condense data from 19 down to 2022. Now what I do not know, which if somebody have more idea, get your pen down and let's write any reviews of information for ourselves. It's really the outlet one, it's clever when I will have to appreciate the action knowledge and into the bands of this and some bands wherever the graph to my literature and budget. And whenever the reader that one is to be sure to have so I will let it clear that anybody who has more understanding will to see other bands enlighten us and she did. Now, the bands are only 100 and something band. So I want to know the town as band by that implication, but which ones it implies that which ones data which represented by the bands. So 2011 to 2020 is done and 12 runs each year. So you can see the total band from band 1 last 10 comes playing with Brewery 120 bands. So this is 99 and these band also got from the 19 pictures based on the revenue information. Elaborate explanation to so thank you very much, sir. You are grateful. Don't forget to like, share, and comment this video. I'll see you in the next video. So that was the data from what is download data, not you have 12 months each. So let's give that the video so that we understand from there. So what we want to do after we have composite, we have exported this from roasted already did. The next thing is to go on to the folder. So we'll refer back to we click on this. We're going to see all the bands. So if you check the data number in bands are 120 if you enter E and check it's 120. So we explore the correct arrangement amount where is 700 and the rest 809, 117, 120 so what we are interested in is we are interested in 2012. So 2012 will be from band 13 to band 24. So we're going to make a selection of band 13 to 24. So we remove band 2 because band 2 is part of 2011, sorry. So we made a selection of having bands now, the total of 12 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Representing January to December of 2012. So I'm going to click on add. So we're going to add it. So now we're going to and check this. We don't do this when we're added when we're black and white format. So what we have to do from here now is to search for band composite. So search for this band composite and then we click on this band composite. So we're going to show I'm going to select the entire 12 bands. Or you can just drag these cells that you selected, we drag and we drag. So only 12 bands will be aligned here. Then the next step is to click it for the edit and inside this hard imagery is still inside this arena. I'm just going to say 12 to 12. But this will be a coverage of the month 2012. So let's add that 12 to it. So that 12 and very soon. Another book, actual. So with working the composite, so I found that is done. So we're going to select all the bands here, select all else. So select maps, turn on the select LOS, then we remove 2012 from it. And now we remove LOS. So now we have a budget that is over 2012. So I'm not saying not to go to song this cloud, but first we want to also search for song statistics.
It was so. How
Song statistics. So you click on the sales statistics, and then we're going to add our beta into 2012, and we're going to save it as show underscore shift, and we're dash button on the sales statistics. Well, it looks so. Well, I thought it was so much. Well, sure. So we'll have a red on this cell. Okay. So now, we're going to select where we want to use it for. So we want to sum the entire detail for the whole year. Where we can click the one we're looking for the sum. We want to know the angular length. So just click on sum, and now we'll click on OK. So this will sum the data from January to December. So we're going to check first, and next is we're going to convert this one to a point from raster to point. So this is where raster will convert it to point. So,
that's all.
once I search it, I can't really remember where to go to. So let's search Lanston to out.
My boy, done. Good. All black.
So it sounds to I'm in Lanston to Pontiel. So we can click and we put in that method or tomorrow we can find it next time. So some conversion on them from main step in raster to point. So click on this raster to point, and then click on the cell. Then it's our value. So we're going to show rainfall channel 2 12. So I'm going to go one side rainfall beta for the 20 12 for the rain, and it's going to come as a short file, a point short file. So we have the points now. So once uncheck the shell also, we will just the count. And the next thing we are going to limit it to a steady one, which is where we want to work on. So here I think we want to work on the cardinal state, and I don't know if found the cardinal state down here. Okay, so now state. So blue modern. So this third rainfall has coming. Yes, so this is around the place we want to work on. So we want to we can actually do two things here. We can edit people's into just this way without having to do a clip separately, where we can film and then produce the rainfall map using just the clip version. So let's try this. So first we want to group. So we search for extract logs. So there's only you can enter a group and show, so not this. It's not a raster, so now we'll show that. So you click on your position, then you click on the group back, and we'll select rainfall 2012. and then I'll take extent, so I keep extent will be the state boundary. So this will be where we want the X save. So now language could be my 2012. And click on save, I'll click on AQ. So it's finished, I think it was finished. So let's remove the server. So run a boot address within the extent of Cabina State. This is one from where you can produce you can interpolate. So now let's interpolate so that now particular the tool we can do this. So by using IDW, so I'm using this IDW just statistical analyst. I don't have any research on the web, that's what I want to use for this video. So then create is Cabina. Okay, let's start with that. I'm introduced pretty in rainfall. I was doing power do that rainfall. So I was talking about the beat code. Normally, was it very so that style will convert is going to be on the beat code. Okay. So our output will be rainfall. Also run F. Okay, so and one. You need just click OK, but then it will reduce the mark on the whole, right? But then we're going to use environment. So any environment will come to a processing extent, and we'll change it from default to stoked. And we'll come down to raster analysis, and then we'll draw by small, and then you change the marks to stoked. And then we click on return, and we click on OK.
And here you go.
I think it was created series where this data you see that we have we will talk not by this font but by this one. So we limited it to just the extent of Cabina State. And then secondly, it will still be able to do statistics to use for the second one. Let's use this send as well. Let's use the IDW, just the special analyst. So this time around, I'll just bring in the Cabina, and the Z value will be changed to that code, and now we're going to keep them. Just keep the 12, just leave it like that. And we'll see outdate the video so that we know what interpolation will work. Now if I just click on it, you see how therapy is going to look like. Is it created? Wow. So I don't know which one is this. Yeah. So instead of it closure it's like now every time we want to click this, it will then have a free extent of Cabina State. So that is another one of the being this kind of analysis will only use your procession extent. So we're still going to use this and don't really limit it to stable relay so that we know it. I'm still going to use the Cabina clip, and I'm going to use clip good, and then I'm going to use this, I'm going to put it as to have them. And then I'm going to be to environment this down around, and I'm going to click on your processing extent. So I'm changing it from default to start. And once the analysis, I will change the max to stoked, and I click OK, and I also click Q. So we can see that we have created even the entire Cabina State. If I put this, you see that it's created covering the extent of Cabina State without leaving a gap. So it is very important already or not to always create anything will be to click rather back okay, in summary, if we have a data that is well studied over, instead of clipping it, we can actually perform, especially when it is interpolation, we can actually create a tape map run with the interpolation using just your study over. Not necessarily until you clip it before performing interpolation. And whenever you are performing interpolation, we should always try to go to your environment and specify the extent of it to help you from creating the only angle and only show for you. So I'll put that this video helps you to reach your data analysis or analysis you're talking about in ArcGIS, and I hope to see you in the next video. So thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to LHS Special. I'll see you in the next video.